Donald is a twerp. He always gets frustrated. He's like a 2-year-old. But Daisy likes to handle it. Okay, wait. Daisy is a good girl. She always tries to help. While Donald is a twerp. When he gets laughed at, he's like a 2-year-old. Trying to punch people, trying to punch people when he's mad.
Yep, that's a good lesson. You can't punch people when you're mad.
Red and green. I think a red and black and green flew away, and I saw it.
It's probably from the sun. So if you stare in the light for a second, or something, you like close your eyes and you can see like random colors for some reason. Or do you want me to make a rainbow one?
Yeah, the rainbow song.
This is the rainbow song, jolly and joyful. This is the rainbow song. And there.
And the old lady wrote the rainbow.
Okay, right. This is the rainbow song. This is the rainbow song. This is the best rainbow song.
And the rainbow, and that lady wrote the rainbow.
Yeah, this is the rainbow song. This is the rainbow song. There's an old lady that loves rainbows. Well, there's red, there's orange, there's yellow and green, there's purple, there's blue, and there's indigo and violet.
I think that's purple, indigo,
And that the true rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue,
and red.
here. My.
Can you sing an animal song?
Penny, you are good at music.
An animal song.
Woo.
An animal song.
Sorry.
Song.